right here that's wet. One of the questions, advice was given to me by my gig user, giving him a shout out, and I know I was supposed to do it this particular way. Like a hose, wet down. These are the bricks I'm going to use. Wet down. Now I'm going to go mix my cement. There you go. All wet before and wet after. Is going to take a nice time to dry. And the inside, I put a nice thin layer of cement. Now, it's only cosmetics. It's right at the edge. It finishes off everything, and it allows me to lay my wood flat on. And that's what I made it for. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to build up and have it on an angle, because then I have to put over here a triangular piece to keep the cats out. But there you go. Job is well done. That's how you make a cement and place it down. Never perfect, always the unconventional way. Have a great day.